Hi there, and welcome to day 25, our final day of our Esri Leaflet Advent Calendar tutorial series. Today we're going to be capping off our journey with an exploration of local demographic data. We'll learn how to access local data, such as spending trends, in a specific location. To do this, we will simply need to make a small modification to our code from day 24 in the getDemographic function. We'll need to include analysis variables to specify the pieces of data we would like to query. I'm going to choose to show the total amount spent by people on meals at restaurants in 2023 and the estimated number of people above age 15 that are married, all within a 1 mile radius of any clicked area on my map. You can choose your own variables by using the analysis variable finder at developers.arcgis.com. Now I'll go ahead and test this out. When I click anywhere on the map, I can see my local data information in the console, including the restaurant total spending and the number of people married. Now your challenge for today is to experiment with the different analysis variable options and try displaying this in a pop-up format just like yesterday. Thank you so much for joining me in this exciting series. I hope you've gained some valuable Esri Leaflet skills. Look out for my future videos where I'll continue to make content around mapping, coding, and other web development topics. Thank you again, and happy coding.